Hello and welcome back, and today I'll be showing you one of the very first, mid-size guns I've ever made. So basically, I can't explain how fun this gun was made. Well, it was fun to make too, but it was really much a challenge because it's like the biggest ones I've ever made. It's literally the Cadillac of my collection. Like, it's like a good, 10 inches, I think, or 11, I think. I'm not sure. Like, this thing's really long, to be honest. That's all I can tell you. It's really, really long. And I have it supporting on two, dice. But, let me just put my hands on it, and you can see how big this thing is. This is one hand, and this is the other. So, a good, around 11 inches. And I gave it a revolver feel to it with this, little wind-up arm right here. And it does light up. I don't have any batteries for it. Let me just grab it. Oh, sorry about that. Oh boy. It does have a battery pack and a trigger. And the control arm. And yeah, I really gotta write scripts for these. But yeah, that's mostly it for this gun. It was really fun to make. And I might add to it in the future. That's all, folks.